Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Today, I will show you how to set up a YouTube shop step by step. First, gather one Google Merchant Center account and one verified website domain. Prepare a product feed in CSV or XML with titles, prices, and images. Ensure your images are 1024 by 1024 pixels and less than 5 megabytes. Link Merchant Center to your YouTube channel in the Integrations panel. Verify ownership and claim your site within Merchant Center settings before proceeding. Enable shopping features in YouTube Studio under Monetization or Commerce settings. Next, I will walk you through product listing, tagging, and shopping cart creation. Create concise titles under 70 characters and detailed descriptions with ingredients or specifications. Set accurate prices and include shipping cost or free shipping indicators. Tag products directly in videos using the product tag tool in the editor. Comply with platform commerce policies, tax rules, and age restrictions for certain items. Preview cards on desktop and mobile to verify placement and appearance across devices. Publish listings and allow 24 to 72 hours for synchronization and review to complete. Finally, I will explain promotion, analytics use, and order fulfillment best practices. Use cards, end screens, and pinned comments to highlight products during videos. Run short product demos under 1 minute to increase clicks and conversion rates. Track clicks, click-through rate, and revenue in YouTube Analytics and Merchant Center. Set shipping options with flat rate, calculated, or free thresholds like or 0. Respond to orders within 48 hours and provide tracking numbers to customers promptly. Continuously update inventory and product images to avoid oversells and negative feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.